Hey, it's Chris with Epoxy Hero, and on today's video we have a special treat. We are going to transform one of the worst garage floors that we've ever seen installed by a company that claims that they're a professional.
Like I said, I think it was worse than what I had.
And we're going to transform it into an absolute beautiful work of art. Check it out.
My son actually did my old garage. He epoxied it. Never done one in his life, and it looks way better than this.
If you're a homeowner or a business owner and you're interested in exploring the ideas of installing epoxy in your basement or your garage or your space, wherever it may be, you need to listen to what I'm about to share with you. There's a lot of companies out there that sell their marketing plans, their pictures, their videos to installers to push their product. And most of the time, these installers have never installed a floor at all themselves, but they go right out the door, they sell the floors, and then they're practicing on a customer's floor, very similar to this one. This customer was 100% taken advantage of. The contractor charged him over $10,000 to install this floor. And here at Epoxy Hero, we've installed over 1 million square feet of epoxy coatings, and you can rest assured that when you hire us to do your job, we'll do it the right way the first time. All right, so enough of the fluff. We're going to transform this absolute garage floor nightmare into a beautiful work of art for this customer. And as you can see the color behind us, this is our favorite color of epoxy flake floors that we install, and the color is called Raven. Check it out. In this video, we're showing a simple transformation of a before and after. And as you can see here, after the flakes have been fully broadcast, the whole floor looks completely different. And I promise you, once we put the top coat down here in a second, this floor is going to absolutely pop. If you're more interested in a detailed step-by-step video, take a look at our Tent World epoxy installation video that we installed in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm gonna pull some of this back from you real quick. All right, come behind you. When you come back, will you pick that up? So here's the moment you've been waiting for. We were able to turn this floor into this floor in a matter of 2 days. It's a very straightforward and simple process for us here at Epoxy Hero. If you like these videos, make sure that you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and also click on that bell notification to be notified when we upload new videos. Well, that's it for us here today on Epoxy Hero. And because we did such a great job transforming this customer's mess into a masterpiece, they gave us an incredible 5-star review that you can check out right here on the screen. Thank you so much for your positive words. It really helps tell a story about how we do business.